Hello dear students, today we are going to deal with unit number 3.1, ninth standard English poem, Coromandel Fishers, composed by Sarojini Naidu, the great Indian poet. This is a nature poem. Coromandel is the southern part of the east coast that is named as Coromandel, and the fishes from that seashore are called Coromandel fishes. Listen carefully. First stanza. Rise, brothers, rise. The wakening skies pray to the morning light. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn like a child that has cried all the night. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free to capture the leaping wealth of the tide, for we are the kings of the sea. In the first stanza, the poet addresses to the fishermen to wake up early in the morning as the sky welcomes the sun that is rising from the east. The wind that has blown throughout the night very fast, that has been tired, and it lies asleep in the arms of dawn. It is like a child that has cried all the night and slept in the wombs of the mother. The wind is compared to the crying child that has cried all the night. Likewise, the wind also blown very fast and getting tired lies asleep in the arms of the dawn. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free. So come forward, wake up, gather the nets and go to the shore to set the boats. Catamarans means boats. Set free the boats in the sea and go sail forward in the middle of the sea to capture the leaping wealth of the tide. Leaping wealth of the tide means fishes. That is the wealth of the sea, and that is the wealth of the fishers. As the fishermen are treated as kings of the sea, so the fishes are the wealth of the fishermen. In the second stanza, no longer delay, let us hasten away in the track of the seagull's call. The sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother, the waves are our comrades all. What though we toss at the fall of the sun, where the hand of the sea god drives? He who holds the storm by the hair will hide in his breast our lives. Not to make delay, be haste, make haste, and march forward towards the call of the seabird, that is seagull's call. The sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother, and the waves are our comrades. Comrades means friends. Nothing to worry about, because sea is our mother that takes care. The cloud is our brother that helps us, and the waves are our friends who are with us all the time till the end. So now, not to worry and go to the middle of the sea to catch the fishes. What though we toss at the fall of the sun? Nothing matter if the sun sets and you are getting late. So there is a sea god who will help us, who will protect us. He who holds the storm by the hair means the god will hold the storm in his hand and he will hide us in his breast. He will protect us from the danger in the sea. In the last stanza, sweet is the shade of the coconut glade and the scent of the mango grove. and sweet are the sands of the full moon, with the sound of the voices we love. But sweeter, O brothers, the kiss of the spray and the dance of the wild foam's glee. Row, brothers, row to the edge of the verge where the low sky meets with the sea. The coconut shade, shade of the coconut trees. There is an open space at the middle of the coconut trees that is called glade, and the shade of the coconut trees is very sweet at the seashore. And along with that, there is a series of mango trees, that is mango grove, and from that grove the scent of mango tree blows like a fragrance, so it is also sweet. Again, it is a full moon night when there is like a festival atmosphere of festival. The relatives and friends gather over the seashore and wait for their fishermen, so their love is also sweet. And the sand of the full moon means at the seashore in the full moon night. But sweeter, O brothers, more sweet is what? The kiss of the spray, means the spray of the waves that is spread on the faces of the fishermen, that is sweeter. And along with that, the wild foam's glee, means on the surface of the sea there is a foam like surface, bubbles, white bubbles, they are also pleasant. Glee means pleasant, delightful. So row, brothers, row to the edge of the verge where the low sky meets with the sea. So we have to reach to the edge where the low sky, means sky, bows down to meet with the sea, that is called horizon. We have to go to the horizon till the end of the sea. That is the meaning of the last stanza. The poem is written by Sarojini Naidu. Thank you. Here the rhyme scheme is AABB. You may observe this in the first stanza. It is given in red bracket, AABB, light night, AA, free sea, BB. In the second stanza also, call all, AA, drives lives, BB. Third stanza, grow love, AA, glee C, BB. So thank you very much.